Hello everybody. Hi, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and we are on day 2. Let's see, we have day 2 on the signpost here and we've seen what we did on day 1, and here are the 2 day 1 packages, soft squares and keepsake. Now let's move on to day 2, and starting with, I think when I went back and looked at the video, I never had a chance to read this, and of course I don't have my glasses on. Let me grab them. Okay, here we go. This is the insert from the Soft Squares box, and it says, "Welcome to 2025 Holiday Advent Box A" from Soft Squares, because they also have Box B, which is a 25-day box. "Thank you for supporting my small business, for being patient with us as we've been working hard to get everything just right. I love creating for the boxes and have personally curated everything in them. This year's box is filled with goodies for quilters as well as yummy treats, which I've already sampled earlier today and yesterday. Okay, we are excited to share the news that we will be visited by the same elf which was previously helping Holly on her YouTube channel, Dandelion Stitches." Well, now that'll be fun. I think Lynn says that she's going to start the 12-day box, and she's going to start opening on December 14, so that the final one will be December 25. That's nice. Okay, so she's giving us the cost, or what the value is on each of the days. And so on day 1, which is what we opened last time, her envelope of goodies was worth $32. Well, that's a lot of patterns. I'd say, yeah, it was probably worth well $32. And then she talks about she has 2 different boxes, and that there will be, if there's a project or an activity in the packet, then there will be instructions at the end of the videos that she's doing. Or you'll be able to access her instructions on her YouTube channel. Or will it be Facebook? Well, I bet it's YouTube. Yes, YouTube. And it says that we can also put our deposit down for 2026. Well, now that's nice. I don't usually purchase them that far in advance, but maybe we'll need to. Okay, so there'll be a situation in December that'll talk about these. And these are weekly live show, and I believe the situation's on Saturday at noon, and the live sales Mondays at 5 Mountain Time, which makes it 4 Pacific. Happy holidays from everyone at Soft Squares, from Lynn. L-Y-N-N-E. Lynn from Soft Squares. Okay, well, let's get started. What is number 2? Oh boy, look at this. It has a hard part in it that's about this shape. Just that part. And then the soft part, I'll betcha, is fabric. Because it's certainly not a Rice Krispie treat. And I don't think that it's a book. Let's get in there and see. Woo! Oh, it is. It's fabric. Oh, that's pretty. And a cookie. Woohoo, a little cookie. Box A, day 2. Who doesn't love fat quarters? What do you do with them? Do you save them or cut into them? Well, who'd be nutty enough to cut into them, huh? These are very pretty. I like them. And they're tied together with a nice little bow. They look so nice. I don't know that I want to tear into them, but look at them. They're like a spring red rather than a Christmas red. Although I could probably use that for a Christmas project if I needed to. And then this one is definitely a springy looking. And this is a lovely plaid with speckles. Well, let's open it up and see if it says where it comes from. That's always a curious thing to do. This one says it is a Benortex fabric called Buttercup. Interesting. Must be a line of fabrics called Buttercup that has red in it. And I bet you this second one, which is exactly like it, is probably the same Buttercup. And I wonder if this one is going to be a Buttercup also. This is Petal Party from Ben Artex. Greta Lynn is the designer. Petal Party. Can you see those okay? They're very lovely. And then this is a lovely that goes with it. Rhapsody by Greta Lynn. I like it. Let me hold them up for you. Now, we could make something out of that for Valentine's Day. Of course, that's our next big holiday, isn't it? That is nice. Thank you, Lynn. That is very nice. I have not usually been making things for Valentine's, but I'd be willing to consider it. I have a feeling I'm going to be overly nuts trying to do that Jane Austen applique thing, but we'll see. That other thing I'm trying to do, the murder mystery thing, is also foundation piece, and so I'm going to have to struggle on that too. But I think we'll do it. So here is our lovely packet of 4 fat quarters for day 2. Who doesn't love fat quarters? Okay, let's look at the next one for Keepsake Quilting. Number 2. Can you see these over here? Let me bring them in. Very beautifully packaged. Now this is heavy and round. It could be a huge, heavy, I think it's too heavy for thread, but it's the right size for thread. Let's tear into this. Okay. You know, the paper I bought this year to wrap packages is all this brown crafty color, only it has trees on it too. Okay, and this is wrapped in nice paper. Oh, look at that. It is like a pin cushion. 3 pin cushions stacked up to make an ornament. Look at that cute little booger. He's definitely going on the tree. Isn't that darling? And it is not inexpensively cheap. It is heavy resin. You know how you can, what I'm trying to say is it's a nice one. And it's a nice color too, sort of a tomato. I like it. That'll go on my tree for sure. All right, thank you. That was a pretty one. Okay, so we got red things from both curators. This time we got the red, drop that. Red 4 quarters, 4 fat quarters from Lynn with soft squares, and a cookie. Don't forget the cookie. And here from Rick at Dot Kimmelman, we got a beautiful Christmas ornament made out of what appears to be 3 pin cushions. Tomato pin cushions. Very cute. Very cute. Okay. So that's all for day 2. Stay tuned for day 3. And I don't know if I can stand a weight. I want to tear into them. What do you think? Will I be able to wait? All right, if you still want to get these, I forgot to check on whether they're available. I'm pretty sure Lynn has some available. Let me check and make sure by tomorrow I'll have a note on whether that these are available or not. All right, thank you. Bye.